Hello guys, today I would be giving you brief information about the replica set. As I already mentioned in a previous video about the replication controller. So in this video we will talk about the replica set. Replica set is just like a replication controller, but the difference is in spec file. Under the spec section, replica set contains a match label property which is not written in a case of replication controller. So this is the difference. Actually, the main difference is in the match labels, and during the rollout command when you study about the deployment, so we'll talk about that part later. So actually both the things like replication controller and replica set both are equal, and both does the same work. So actually, earlier Kubernetes uses replication controller, but now the new technology that is used in Kubernetes is replica set. So all the all the programmer uses the replica set nowadays. So we'll talk about replica set today. Replica set is just same as application controller. It also creates pods, number of required pods, which is mentioned in the spec file. Like if in a spec file you mention 7 replicas, replica set will create 7 identical pods. Inside the replica set will have a 7 same service pods. So, and if any pod get deleted, replica set will automatically make that pod up. So this is the use of uh, replica set. And one more thing about replica set is we just not need to create any different spec file, just we can change the replication controller file rc new one dot. Here you need to provide the new API version. In this case it is apps v1 replica set you need to mention here, and my my replica set, let label remain same, and meta my first pod and containers and expose replicas 3. Okay. And one more thing, we have a selector property here inside the replica set, which will match the labels of pod, match labels, and under the label will provide a type backend. So it will match all the pods labels which are backend, and it will take those pods inside it. Like if already we have a one pod running, and if you are creating 3 replicas, so what it will do, it will get that pod which is already running, and it will create new 2 pods apart from that previous pod. So total it will create 3 pods. So just run it, kubectl create -app rc underscore new one.yaml. So our replica set has been created. Kubectl get replica set. So all the 3 container pods are ready. Get pods. So see my replica set. No. These three are getting created. Two are in ready state. Let's wait for third one. So all three are created right now. So this is our replica set. If you will delete any pod from this set, it will get automatically created. Kubectl delete pods, delete pod name. It will delete that pod, but replica set will automatically create it. Let's see. Let's list all. See, our pod is getting created. So this is the use of replica set, and get replica set. And one more command you can use to list all the pods and replica set, which is get all. Here we have all the pods. This is the replication controller I have already built, and this is a replica set. All the desired number of pod is 3, current is 3, and ready is 3. So thank you guys, this is a replica set. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.